all know, pre-mades have become increasingly popular with the industry. I personally don't have an issue with them. It's not the pre-made that causes damage, it's the overloading of them. And if people are honest about using pre-mades, then I really don't see an issue with them. But I did want to showcase our pre-mades, which took me a lot of time to source. I tested, unfortunately, so many pre-mades that were just horrendous. It really put me off to start off with, but eventually I persevered and found some beautiful ones. So we also have very, very short lengths as well, down to 6 millimeters, as you can see. I'm a great advocate for using very short lengths in the inner and outer corners. It just gives beautiful shaping of the set. So I'm just going to bring these even nice and close so you can actually see how beautiful they are. I see so many pre-mades that have really thick bases, and guys, they just don't bond well. You're not going to get overly good retention out of them. You can see how all of these are lovely and perfect. There's no wastage in your tray when you're picking up pre-mades and they lack consistency. So we have beautiful pointy bases, as you can see, and lovely, lovely consistency with all of them in our trays. I also want to show you how nice they are to pick up off the strip. So literally you just come in halfway and lift up, and you're ready to go on to the natural lash. A lot of the pre-mades that I've seen are actually attached like this onto the strip, so they're almost sort of halfway down. So you have to come in, pick them up, or you tend to have to pick them up from low down, place them back down, and then pick them up again. You can see the struggles that I'm having. So of course that's going to cost you extra time. I was also looking for a brand that would remove nicely from the strip as well, because a lot of the time when I was picking them off, they would actually split. So again, you've got to have a good quality pre-made that's stuck enough on the strip that it's not going to sort of be lost every now and then, but that also comes off really nicely so that we can come off and straight onto the client. So guys, if you're looking for good quality pre-mades, we've done all the work for you, and as you can see for yourself, they really are beautiful. They're consistent. They have lovely pointy bases. They attach so nicely onto the client. They give lovely retention, and they can give such a lovely, beautiful, uniformed look on that client. So like I said, please, please, please come and visit us at Eyelash Excellence. I spend so much time sourcing quality and affordable products so that you guys don't have to, because I know how frustrating that is, being a lash technician myself over the years and spending all my hard-earned cash on products that really were a bit of a pile of poo. So you can come and buy with us with confidence, knowing that we've done all the hard work for you and that all of my products meet my very, very high eyelash excellence standards. So click on the link below, as you'll see, and come and visit us. We have lots of variety on the shop, fast shipping, and we hope to see you there. Bye.